Welcome children, continuity of the lesson, the Browning version by Terence Rattigan. Children, yesterday I told you something about Frank. He told Tableau that he sounded a little bitter. According to him, Tableau's voice contained some bitterness. Tableau's words had some bitterness in them. Tableau, I'm rather sir. Tableau answers respectfully that he is rather bitter. Frank kept in a Frank wanted to know whether he had been kept in. To keep in means to make somebody stay indoors or in a particular place. To make somebody stay indoors or in a particular place. Frank. Extra work? Tableau. No, sir, extra work. Frank denies that he has been kept in. He says that he was there because of extra work given to him by Mr. Crocker Harris, his teacher. Frank, extra work on the last day of school? Frank, the young teacher, seems to be surprised that Tableau has been given some extra work and that too on the last day of school. It was the last day of school. Tableau, yes sir. Tableau confirms by saying that he has been given some extra work on the last day of his school. And I might be playing golf. He says, Tableau says, if he had not been given any extra work, he would have been playing golf. You would think he would have enough to do anybody himself. He thinks about Frank that he will think that Tableau will have enough to do anyway himself. Why? Considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. He will think that Tableau is leaving tomorrow for good, forever. But oh no! What Tableau says, he himself contradicts. He says, sir, but that is not true. I missed a day last week when I was ill. He tells him the real reason. Last week he missed a day because of his illness, and that is why he has been called by Mr. Crocker Harris for that extra work. Did you understand the reason? And look at the weather, sir. Perhaps the weather is not good. The weather seems to be hostile. That is why he says, Frank, the young teacher, to look at the weather. Frank, bad luck. Frank accepts that it is bad luck. It is an example of bad luck. Still, there is one comfort. But according to Frank, there is one point that can give some comfort to Tableau, that can give some relaxation to Tableau. You are pretty well certain to get your removed tomorrow for being a good boy in taking extra work. Frank is certain, confident that Tableau has taken extra work. Tableau is present to do some extra work. Tableau has shown his goodness. Tableau has shown that he is a good boy. So he should be sure. Frank is pretty sure that Tableau will get his removed day after. Tableau will get his removed the next day. He is sure that Tableau will get his removed the next day for being a good boy in taking extra work. That day he was present to do some extra work, so he should be sure to get his removed the next day. Tableau, well, I am not so sure, sir. Tableau denies. He says that he is not so sure. He says it respectfully because he uses the word sir. That would be true of the ordinary masters. Alright, sir, what you are saying is right in connection with the ordinary teachers, but not with Mr. Crocker Harris. What you are saying may be true with ordinary masters, ordinary teachers. Alright, they just wouldn't dare not to give a chap a remove after he's taking extra work. According to Taplow, no teacher of that school, no teacher except Crocker Harris. In other words, all teachers of that school except Crocker Harris would not dare to give a chap a remove after he's taking extra work. If a teacher tells a student to do extra work, that teacher will give that student a remove after his taking extra work. But this is not true. This is not true. Obviously, he wants to talk about Crocker Harris. But those sort of rules don't apply to the croc, Mr. Crocker Harris. He wanted to use the word croc for his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, but he corrected himself. He wanted to use the word croc for Mr. Crocker Harris, but he corrected himself. He is sure those kind of rules are not followed by Mr. Crocker Harris. I asked him yesterday outright if he had given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir? Yesterday, Taplow asked his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, in a straightforward way, if he had given him a remove. And do you know what he said? Now he wants Frank to know the answer given by Mr. Crocker Harris. Thank you, children.